Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am coming on to bring you a layout using this Blue Christmas page kit by Meridy Twilling, and you see it's by Carta Winter or Welcome Winter. This one's frigid flannel. It has the coolest plaid on one side and a tone on the other. This let me see. This one's winter whiteout, and do you guys see that wood grain? It's very, very cool. I will be using that, and this one is a really nice plaid as well, and it is the 6x4 journaling cards page with, of course, voila, 6x4 journaling cards. Now, with this as well, there are 2 sheets of a white cardstock and this really great mid-tone blue, which is so pretty. It's a great tone. We've got a full stamp set by Echo Park, which is gorgeous. It has snowflakes and Christmas goodies and all of that, as well as a 12x12 Carta sticker sheet. And you know those sticker sheets, you have titles, you guys, there's border stickers, all that good stuff. There's also this really cool piece of canvas to use and this Christmas cut file. So big sneak on that. I'm going to use a different cut file. Here's a photo of my oldest daughter, and she is out last year walking along in a winter wonderland. So I'm going a lot more winter with this layout, not necessarily a Blue Christmas, but I can use the kit however I want because I am the boss of me. So I do know I want to mat up this photo with this gorgeous, gorgeous cardstock, which it's a textured cardstock, my fave. And I'm going to use these great snowflakes, and I'm going to go ahead and stamp on them using this Ice Spruce Distress Oxide. It's a really nice color match for the green that is in our kit. So that is my plan. Now this is a cut file I'm going to end up using because I think it matches so well with the greenery on our sticker sheet. So I have a plan for that coming up. Okay friends, quick check-in time. I went ahead and used this little scallop dealio. It's a scallop cartridge on my trimmer and made scalloped edges. And I've inked all of my edges in Distress Oxide in the Iced Spruce, which turns out to be a really nice match to this collection. I gutted my gorgeous kind of periwinkly my cardstock, and I attached it. So that's all we have done here. So far, I've just double matted my photo. I'm sure I'll put more mats on it. I'm working on that in a second. And then I took this cut file that I showed you, and I used my little ink blender, and I used both Ice Spruce and just this All My Memories chocolate brown ink to kind of ink in my bits. And I added a little bit of dimensional adhesive so I can have it, kind of come across here-ish. Now, I really want to get some nice traction on our sticker sheet because there are a ton of stickers. So I'm going to build some kind of scene with these stickers. Not quite sure yet. And I'll ink the edges. I did grab my title, which will be Snow Fun, from these banner bits. So I know that much so far. I just want to look at this and spend a couple minutes with it and decide how the scene is going to work. And we've got this cute little chair. We have wreaths. We've got, obviously really great icy bits. Walking in a winter wonderland works for this because they are out walking in this icy, icy, gorgeous area. So I think they were, gosh, I don't know. Maybe, were they in the UP? No. I think they were at a cottage. Up at a cottage. Okay, so, but they were walking in a winter wonderland, so that does work. So I'm gonna start working on my little bit of a scene. I do want to next mat my, do I want to create a, I'm gonna do, okay, that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm going to create a double fishtail banner with these 2 gorgeous pieces I have. Let me see what I have. Oh, I'm going to do 3 because this looks like wood grain and it is freaking awesome. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back in a minute. Wait. 2 banners and I have an idea for the wood grain. Hold on. So check-in time. I have my pattern papers are all down, and I wanted to show you this. So on the wood planks, I did these little polka dots. I saw Coley Bing do that with the same sheet of pattern paper, and I thought it looked so cute. It looks way more wood plank-y, if that makes sense. So I just used my handy dandy, what brand is this? Stettler Tri Plus fine liner for that, and the color is a great color match, so that's awesome. I have my fishtail banners down, everything is inked in, and I think I will go ahead. I want a little bit of that to show in that, so I will go ahead and pop my matted photo right there. I still have this piece right here. Oh, and with that little canvas piece, I stamped the snowflakes from our stamp set on them, and I have them cut out so I can sprinkle wherever when I get to that point. I need to pop this up here. I've got a dimensional adhesive just on the, I guess, leafy bits, because this was just too thin for me to get it on there. So that will lay flat, the leafy bits will go up. I have to also attach down my banner bits that will have my title on, and then I will go in and do some of the decorating and all of that. So for the decorating, I have my sticker sheet, and I did say that I was going to spend some time figuring out what to do with what, so I will do that. Now this is kind of interesting because it is a frame. Maybe I will see if we have any sequins from a previous kit that matches that, and I can turn it into a shaker pocket. That might be really, really fun. Okay, I'm gonna keep playing with this. I'll be back in a minute. Alrighty, Roo, I ended up not making a shaker pocket. I did pull out a mix from last year. I think it's chestnuts roasting on an open fire, and I might use a few of these on my layout, but I want to show you that I layered all kinds of stickers up in places. I'm still working on it. I'm still putting a few things here and there. I love these pine cones because it looks just like this one here. So I want to find a spot to tuck them in. But yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm seeing how many of these fun stickers I can get in here and have them build out my clusters, because I love looking at all of the little scenes and seeing what I can come up with. It is big fun. So even like these itty tiny bitty ones, they're just so cute and they add something. Like this one, will they go on this pine tree? I'll just put it outside of my little coffee cup here. Build out that cluster more. So I'm gonna add a few more things, get some sequins on here. I still have my little stamped images, and then I'll show you my finished layout. So let's finish this up. I used a couple of sequins in each of my clusters. I've got my stamped snowflakes down, and now I'm looking at this green, and I think this one right here, these are a big old stack of enamel dots from previous kits and from the Not Just for Boys Kit Club store. So I have all kinds of goodies I can add in. And I like the idea of sequins as well as enamel dots. I think it is fun, and it adds yet another texture, which I do love texture and patterns and all that kind of stuff. So this is what I came up with this blue Christmas page kit. I went with a winter kind of a vibe. So instead of using this really pretty Christmas cut file that was included in the kit, right here, I brought in one that was available at the same time from the website. So I do like the way it came out. It's nice and woodsy and has a really good color match. So you can still see some of the wood planks. A lot of it gets covered when I was adding my little scenes and my fun little bits. But that is what I have for you today. So I will have links down below for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, for the website, for the blog, as well as for the Facebook group. So if you guys have any questions, pop them on down and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Bye for now.